a little bit more with us about what is Renew 28?
Renew 28 is basically the same components as the ASEA product has, combined in a more compact and more concentrated formula, and in a gel that is able to deliver those components then to the skin. And as you know, the ASEA product has the ability to enable healing on the cellular level. And skin health and skin beauty are very closely related. In fact, they're practically the same. If you have healthy skin, you also have beautiful skin. And so the Renew product basically is taking this highly concentrated ASEA composition, putting it in a vehicle that's able to deliver it in a very efficient way to the skin on the outside, and then enable you to have a beautiful, healthy skin. And it's wonderful. It doesn't need much explanation because it's so demonstrative. It's so obvious when you put it on your skin. You can see directly what's happening. And the directions for instructions are not that bad either, because putting gels on your skin and such are very easy things to understand. And so I'm very excited about this. This will give a whole new dimension to this technology that we haven't seen before.
Yes, and since the whole Europe is watching almost today, can you tell us who this is for?
This is for you, for all of you.
For everyone?
For everyone, yes.
Okay.
We found that we need to get the product out there and the technology out there in a form that is able to be accessed and available to everyone. We don't have to worry about regulatory problems. We don't have to worry about import problems. This is a very simple and easy product to distribute and to sell. And really, we did it for the associates, so that you would have the ability and the opportunity to build your businesses based on this new breakthrough product. And we've been working on it about 5 years. Mm-hmm. We've been looking at how we could put ASEA in a format or in a vehicle that would be able to be used topically. And we finally have been able to do that.
So if you would, from the scientific point of view, if you would be comparing other general lotions that we know or creams, what would you say is the biggest difference between those creams that we already know that are out there in the market and Renew 28?
Oh, there is no comparison. You may find a good cream that's good for moisturization. You might be able to find a cream that's good for skin elasticity. You might be able to find something that's good for skin tone that will reduce blemishes. And you might be able to find things, for example, that cover up maybe blemishes and cover up problems out there also. But this is a very unique technology in that it only has 4 ingredients, basically. And these 4 ingredients then do all of these things. In the clinical test that we ran at Duratest in Germany, Dermatest, I'm sorry, in Germany, we found that in all of these areas, we saw 20% improvement in skin tone and reduction of blemishes. And for me, it was very interesting. Skin elasticity also was affected, which is surprising on this level, because you don't have creams out there that can provide you with better skin elasticity. And we've seen now hundreds and hundreds of before and after photos that show that skin is actually being able to be pulled in and more taut, and that the elasticity of the skin has been improved. This is something that is not available anywhere else. And if you were to look at the whole scope of the different applications of this one product, it's almost impossible to say that we only have 4 ingredients. We have no moisturizers. We have nothing else that would indicate that it should do what it does, but it does. And so that's exciting.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing how it looks and how it works and how it feels. But again, as a scientist and knowing as much as you know, and considering that there's only 4 ingredients in this gel, would you recommend people to go out and promote the scientific point of view, the scientific part of it, or how would you recommend people to talk about Renew?
Oh heavens, no! Don't talk about the science, you guys. All you have to do is do as they suggested in the convention a few weeks ago.
Mm-hmm.
Put it on your skin. Take a picture before you use it. Take a picture after you use it. Try to use the same lighting, the same place, the same camera, and then get a good view of what it's actually doing. That's all you need to do. You don't need to explain science in this case.
So you would say that if you would want to have a really good result that you can show, you can actually just use it on half your face.
Yeah.
If you're very daring.
Would you do that, Anya?
No.
I don't think it.
No, but you never know.
You want to become a walking billboard, maybe, but
oh, it would be fun though.
yes.
Well, thank you, Gary. Stay with us for another while. I'll ask a few questions our lovely diamonds here as well, and then we may come back to you as well, because there's so much that we really want to know now, and everyone is just waiting for it. We don't know much about it here in Europe yet, and we just want to get to know about it as much as possible. But we also want to hear the diamonds